Wow. Welcome to talk about Shibadoge, Bkex, Lbank, and of course Bitmart ready to burn more Shiba coin. We all saw that the month of June, Shibadoge burned a lot of coin, over 50 million Quintillion coins. Now this month of July, of course, Bkex, Lbank, and Bitmart ready to support Shibadoge burning more coin, ready to show all their support. Now I believe that yes, Shibadoge can really burn a lot of coins. Shibadoge can destroy more coins this month than what they burn. And I want them to see, to support this coin so we can see if we can burn over 100% from the previous burning, and this Shibadoge hitting over 100 Quintillion coins or even 200 Quintillion bonds. That would be a lot of achievement. So Bkex, Bitmart, Lbank exchange and other exchange are fully ready to support, and I'm happy. One thing I'm happy is I want to be hearing news of Shibadoge trying to burn more coins, trying to destroy coins, because there's a possibility this coin will make a lot of rich people rich. So if you have not got to Shibadoge, try to buy, but buy what you can afford to lose. But right now we are talking about the burning of Shibadoge. We want to focus on burning Shibadoge, massively burning Shibadoge coin. If we can achieve 50% or 60% of Shibadoge coin being destroyed, that is going to be a lot of achievement. Now imagine Shibadoge burning over 100 sextillion. Wow, believe it, this coin is going somewhere. But for now, I'm happy that at least 3 exchanges, Lbank, Bkex, and Bitmart exchange, are fully ready to show support for Shibadoge to keep burning, massively burning Shibadoge coin. Once again, let's hope for more burn. Let's hope if we can hit 100 Quintillion bonds this month or even more. Thank you for stopping by.